now, the area's most accurate weather forecast with Storm Surge 7 Chief Meteorologist Steve Kirsch.
Definitely going to be a colder weekend across the high plains as an upper-level storm system heads our way from the north and west. Get ready for some snow. I know everyone's going, great, here we go again. Well, it's going to be light snow, but still, we'll talk about when you can expect the white stuff here in a minute. Let's start by looking at our SchoolNet sites on the central and north side of the city of Amarillo, where it's 52 degrees right now at Palo Duro High School. Their high today, a very pleasant 61. Now, granted, it wasn't as warm as yesterday, but still warmer than it should be. 49 degrees. That's the average high this time of the year, and almost all these readings are well above that, including 54 right now at the High Plains Retreat Center. They were 64 this afternoon and 53 degrees at Amarillo High. Up toward the north and west, it is currently 48 degrees in Channing. Look at the 47s over all of our Moore County sites: Middlewell Methodist Church, Dumas High School, Sunray, and Cactus. Across the northeast, it's 51 degrees at the Administration Building in Perryton and 51 degrees right now at the Junior High at Darrozette. In the southeastern Texas Panhandle, it's 57 degrees at Clarendon, 52 degrees at Groom, and 56 degrees right now at the high school in Shamrock. And across the west and southwest, it's 56 degrees on the shores of Ute Lake there in Logan, New Mexico, 58 at Tulia, and 56 at the Frost Ranch, located just west of Happy. So go to the Beggart Ranch. This is located 4 miles northeast of Allison, where it's 53 degrees, frost point temperature of 32. And they too experiencing those fairly brisk northerly winds right now between 15 and 25 miles per hour. Let's look at our weather headlines, and really the big weather story is the cold air. Now, granted, it's going to be clear and cold tonight. We'll see more cold air arrive during the weekend, and a chance of some light snow Sunday night or Monday. Now, it is going to be just light, maybe an inch or two for the Oklahoma and northern Texas Panhandle, perhaps northeastern New Mexico. And then cold next week, excuse me, some cases high temperatures not getting out of the 30s, and that may happen more than one day. But right now, ahead of the storm, it's pretty quiet. I see a few radar echoes across eastern and northern Kansas, but our up-level storm system right now is gathering strength across the Pacific Northwest. Look at the temperatures downstate. Look at all the 70s. 70 at Midland and Dallas-Fort Worth, 73, a little trifecta there from Houston to Corpus over to Del Rio. Our computer model forecast is going to give you an idea of when you might expect the snow to fall. It will be none of it tonight. Clear skies early on, mostly clear skies in the morning. As high pressure builds in, it'll be 23 degrees to start off the day, but at least the winds will be light out of the north to northwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Light and variable winds at lunchtime with a temperature of only 43. And 47 will be the high tomorrow's wind swing back around to the southeast in advance of that storm system as the high pressure builds into the southeastern Texas Panhandle. But watch what happens Sunday afternoon as the upper level low approaches from the west and northwest. There's a light snow. It'll start off across northeastern New Mexico first. May see a little bit of rain and or snow at 5 o'clock on Sunday afternoon, but it will be light, but it's going to be wind blown. The northeast winds 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusting up to 35 to 40 at times. That's going to keep our wind chill values mainly in the 20s all day long on Sunday. For tonight, though, our skies will be clear to mostly clear. 22 degrees for overnight low in Tucumcari and San Juan, New Mexico. It'll be 21 tonight in Canadian and Miami. In Amarillo and Canyon, it'll be 21 in Canyon, 23 in Amarillo with clear skies and light north to northwesterly winds. Tomorrow, we'll start off with skies will be mostly sunny, but as the day wears on, we'll see a slight increase in cloud cover. So expect partly cloudy skies in the afternoon. 49 for Canyon's high, 47 in Amarillo. And the winds will switch directions, northwest in the morning, southeast in the afternoon, but they'll be light all day long at 5 to 15 miles per hour. More cold air and the chance of that snow for Sunday night and Monday morning. The cloud cover will linger with us into Tuesday, and another quick-moving storm system is going to be moisture-starved. It'll produce some cloud cover and some strong winds. And high temperature on Wednesday of only 37 degrees, wind chill values mainly in the 20s and teens. So that'll be the day you have to go, warmer days are ahead.
Right, and like I said, but our average temperatures are in the 40s and 50s, correct?
Right around 50 degrees.
Right.
So this is
a little colder than normal?
Yeah, and we were warmer than average, really kind of start off January, so a little bit of a temperature correction here.
Well, I like that temperature correction. Nicely done. You know, our recent snow is pretty much all long gone, but there are still some pretty cool pictures you can find on connectamarillo.com to remind us, like our photo of the day. Look at that. I have no idea what that is. I have no idea. That's really cool. I got a photo you'd like to share. We'd like to post it, and you can tell us what it is. Go to connectamarillo.com for details. Back with a check of today's medical breakthroughs right after this.